Hi guys, welcome to Mavy Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make rocket coaster. Let's try it together. These are the required materials. Firstly, I will use white yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's make a magic ring. Twist the yarn like this. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn and do like this. We will cut a magic ring. After that, make 2 chains. And then make 10 double crochet into the magic ring. After making first double crochet, mark with a stitch marker. We will cut a total of 10 double crochet for row 1. After making 10 double crochet, pull the yarn to close the hole. And then remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch. For row 2, make 2 chains and then make double crochet increase, which means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Don't forget to mark with a stitch marker. After that, make another 9 double crochet increase. We will cut a total of 20 double crochet for row 2. At the end of the row 2, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch. For row 3, make 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet. After making 1 double crochet, mark with a stitch marker. After that, make double crochet increase. By repeating this pattern, we will cut row 3. We will cut a total of 30 double crochet for row 3. At the end of the row, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch. For row 4, make 2 chains and then make 2 double crochet. After making first double crochet, mark with a stitch marker and then make double crochet increase. By repeating the pattern of 2 double crochet and double crochet increase, we will cut row 4. the end of the row 4, pull the yarn like this and remove the hook. Cut the yarn and chain with white fluffy yarn. I will use 6.5 mm crochet hook for fluffy yarn. Lastly, make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop like this. After that, remove the stitch marker and insert the hook like this again. Pull through the fluffy yarn like this. After that, make 1 chain and then tie the extra yarn. Now let's make row 5. For row 5, make 40 single crochet. At the end of the row 5, remove the stitch marker. After that, let's make row 6. For row 6, make 1 single crochet. After making 1 single crochet, mark with a stitch marker. And then make 1 increase, which means 2 single crochet into the same stitch. I repeated this pattern. We will cut row 6. We will cut a total of 60 single crochet for row 6. At the end of the row, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch. After that, chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. I use a yarn needle with the yarn. Now we got plain coaster. Let's make the middle swirl. This time I will choose pink yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Firstly, make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the middle of the coaster. And then pull up the pink yarn. After that, insert the hook next to it and make a slip stitch. By repeating this, we will cut a swirl. After that, cut the yarn and fasten off. And then grab the excess pink yarn and put it in the bag. I use a yarn needle with the yarn. And then tie the extra shanks. After that, cut the yarns. we got bouquet coaster. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time.